Next, we discuss about the application of hedonic pricing method. What are the different steps in applying hedonic price method? First one, define the scope. Determine the good or service being analyzed and the specific attribute of interest. For example, analyzing a real estate, decide which environmental and property characteristics to include. Second one, collect data. Market data, gather data on price for the good being studied. Here the example is housing price. We collect data related to price of the houses. Attribute data, collect information on the attribute of the good. Attribute of the housing. Housing prices. What are the factors determine the price of the price of the property, price of the house. Example, size of the house, square feet, a number of rooms, how many bedrooms in the house, or proximity to amenities, what are the other amenities or other facilities available, then the air quality. These are the attributes. Then additional variable, include other relevant variables that might affect the price, such as economic condition are also affect the price of the house, or neighborhood characteristics are also affect the price, housing price. Then third one, specify the hedonic pricing model. Choose the functional form of the model, linear or semi-logarithmic, based on the nature of data and the relationship being studied. Then estimate the model. Use statistical techniques such as ordinary least square regression to estimate the coefficient of the model. These coefficients represent the implicit price or value of the attribute. Interpret the result. Analyze the estimated coefficient to understand the marginal value of each attribute. For example, the coefficient for proximity to a park indicates that properties closer to park are valued higher. Then evaluate the model fit. Check the goodness of fit using matrices like R squared, which indicates how well the model explains the variation in the price. Apply the finding. Use the estimated value to inform policy decision or pricing strategy or environmental management practices. For example, understanding how much people value cleaner air can guide environmental regulations or conservation efforts.